Saul LeWitt is an American artist that lived from 1928 to 2007. In 1968, he introduced his concept known as wall drawings, where he invented sets of guidelines or instructions for applying marks directly on walls, using graphite pencil or color washes. His rules tended to be simple, for example, 10,000 straight and 10,000 not straight lines. The final compositions would range from overlapping lines organized in rigid grids to large geometric shapes seemingly floating in space to fuzzy gradients fading from black to white. He created hundreds of rule sets and varieties. He drew his earliest works himself, but the series evolved where assistants or students interpreted and executed the instructions. In 2014, we attended an exhibition at the Dia Beacon Art Museum showcasing around a dozen wall drawings, and we wanted to do one ourselves ever since. We based our composition off of wall drawing 136 or 260, where all two-part combinations of arcs and lines are drawn large scale in a grid. Our grid is 8 feet by 8 feet with 8-inch squares, and we used black house paint rather than graphite. Enjoy the remainder of the video documenting the process on the weekends during the winter months of the COVID-19 lockdown.